This meeting is being recorded.
Yes. All right. So, how are you guys doing today?
Yay,
Everything
good.
good? All right, sounds good. So let's get started with the review from homework. Okay, everyone write their names. Okay, your name and family names. Okay, seems like everyone agrees on this. Does anyone want to read this out loud?
Sure, I'll do it.
Okay.
Alberto.
Yes, Alberto, nice. Yeah,
Alberto.
seems like everyone is agreeing. Okay, how about this? How about this person?
Yeah.
There was two ways.
Oh, we argued on that.
Yeah, which one's correct? Because I was like, who am I gonna follow?
Okay, what do you guys think? I think Brian thought it's this one and everyone else thought this one.
Remember we argued?
Well, I was
Oh,
sounding
yeah.
it out, so it was
Yes, the first one, Brian's one is Kuristafa, right?
Christopher, yeah. Mhm.
How about the second one, Christian's idea? Cristo. Yes, Christopher. Yeah. So first one is Christopher, and then second one is Christopher.
Mhm.
Which do you think closer? Christopher.
Tomato or tomato?
Yeah,
So which
this
one is-
Christopher.
I was
Christopher.
debating on this one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when it comes to like English names and English words, it really depends on personal preference how you pronounce it. So let's settle with Christopher on this one because Christopher thinks it's closer to Christopher.
Mhm.
And then I think Denise and Michelle, you two forgot to make it smaller version.
Oh.
So do you remember
I couldn't
A?
figure out my keyboard how to do.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I
have
couldn't
to-
figure out how to do that on the keyboard.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
on the which keyboard? Is that
On the
PC
phone
keyboard?
one? The
Oh,
iPhone
phone one. Okay, phone one. I'm gonna show you later how to do it. Okay, how about this one?
Oh, to make it smaller? Okay.
Denise.
Yes,
Denise.
this first one is Denise, and then second one is
Denise.
yeah.
Denise.
Also, it is very personal preference. Like you can call Dennis or Denise. Which do you think closer, Denise?
Probably Denise.
Okay,
the
Denise.
coming out a little bit.
Yeah. So let's add this one for her. Okay, how about this one?
Can I say my own name?
Oh, Rio, before we move on, I want to ask a question. So like
Okay, go ahead.
when Denise put hers in, like her line was a bit shorter. I don't think it matters, right? There's nothing
Yeah.
significant about that. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
another thing I
usually,
couldn't find.
yeah, I'm gonna show you how to find that one too.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, who's that?
Hey, Aristo.
Aristo? Okay, nice. All right, so let's go. This person.
Shieru.
Yes, Michelle. Michelle. So when you blend these two, it becomes she, right? This one is f and a, so fa. She and e, she. Blend into one word. So Michelle. Yeah, everyone seems agreeing on this too, so it's nice.
All right.
How about last person? Oh, no, two more.
What's that called? Yeah, anyway, Christian was making it different. It wasn't.
Clarice. Clarice.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes, so Clarice.
Mm.
Do you guys remember this one? What was this?
Mhm.
When there's two same letters.
It's basically like kind of like a gap. I'm trying to my best to explain what exactly the name of it, but it's kind of like a gap. Like you kind of like
Yeah,
it's kind of like a
makes
skip
like
almost.
yeah, skip sounds the hop, right?
Yeah, hop. There we
Clarice.
go.
Yeah. Yes, I think everyone wrote Clarismus or
Clarice.
how about Brian's idea?
So
Ooh.
Clarissa.
Clarissa, yeah, Clarissa.
Clarice.
I
Mm.
think everything is right, but I personally think it's this. Oh, what is going on? I personally think it's this one.
Oh, because we also had Denise. She
Yes,
was-
similar to Denise, Clarice.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is prolonged sound.
Mm.
That's what I personally think. But when it comes to foreign word, it's really up to personal preference. So for this activity, it's just for you guys to get used to reading and writing Japanese letters. Okay, how about this? Is this person in the chat already,
No.
or is he still? Oh, okay, hey.
Hi.
What's up? Okay. So you want to try it?
Aristo?
Yes, Aristo. How about if we read with the Brian's idea, what's gonna happen?
It's Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Yes, it sounds like Aristotle, right?
Aristotle?
Mm.
Which do you think closer, Aristotle or Aristotle?
Aristotle.
Oh, you feel like risotto is closer?
No, wait, hold on. Aristotle.
It really depends on the person. We can't perfectly translate English to Japanese.
I think Aristotle is.
Aristotle?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, whichever is fine. The important point is you guys were able to generate the name or write the letters with
Mhm.
Japanese. Okay, how about this person?
Christian.
Tian.
Yes, P,
Cookies.
right?
Tian. Yeah.
T plus E
E.
is
T.
P.
Oh, it's
And this one is,
An.
yes,
Christian.
Christian,
Tian.
right? Nice. I think everyone is agreeing on this too. How about last person?
Brian. Brian. Shit, I forgot the name.
Ryan.
Yes, Brian, right? Nice. I think everyone is agreeing on. And if you don't remember those Japanese letters, don't worry, we're gonna go over again. Okay, let's see family member's name. Brian's family. What's her name, Brian? Could you
This
tell
one was
in
hard,
the-
but I tried. So his name's Milton.
Okay, yeah.
So
Mm.
Milton. Okay,
Mm.
nice. Milton. Yeah, I think Milton sounds right. But I also think Milton
Oh yeah.
is also right.
That's what my keyboard would do too. I would type it and
Yeah.
then like
Yeah,
Oof.
I had to retype it. I'm like,
yeah, I feel like Milton is also right. Milton or Milton. If you make it closer to American accent, it sounds like Milton. And if you
Right.
try it in Japanese way, it sounds like Milton. But
Which
you know,
would actually makes sense too, because like anyone in my family who talks to him is like it's in Spanish, and so it sounds closer to the second one that you just wrote.
okay,
Milton. Right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, how about Christian's family members? Does anyone want to read? Try to read?
Ro-
Robu,
Yes,
Robu.
Robu. And
Robin.
yes, Robin. Robu
Robin.
and Robin. Nice.
Robin.
Okay, how about this person? Don't say it, Christopher.
Mm-hmm.
Who wants to try? This one.
Min Min?
Yes, Mimin. Nice. Okay, how about this one?
Jason.
Yes, Jason. Nice.
Jason.
How about this?
I'm not gonna keep saying it. Everybody else do it.
Oh man.
Forget that first one.
Ma. Maria.
Yes, Marian. Nice, Marian. How about last one?
Sounds a little harder.
Rosary.
I love it.
Rosary. Yes,
Yeah,
Rosary.
Rosalie. Rosalie.
Nice.
Rosalie.
Oh,
So
yeah.
if it's Rosary,
Everybody else.
maybe Rosa D is okay too.
Yeah, it's really hard to like
Da.
take them apart on that regard.
Mhm. Yeah,
Oh, Rosa. Ah, yeah, that.
yeah,
that's better.
Rosary
Yes,
sounds.
Rosalie.
Is that
well.
more
Yeah, that
emphasis on that?
sounds more natural.
Mhm. But again, it's really hard to translate American words into Japanese, so it's really up to preference. Now we're gonna learn actual Japanese sounds. Okay. Okay, today is a bit more exciting. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay,
Hiragana Master.
Hiragana Master Part 2. So we're gonna put more emphasis on practicing it rather than knowing it. So through this lesson, you're gonna be able to, you're gonna get used to reading and writing hiraganas, and you become able to type numbers in hiragana. And by being able to understand the numbers in hiragana, you are gonna be able to say the date and time in Japanese. Pretty exciting, isn't it?
Let me tell
Right?
you, up to 100,000.
Okay, so we're gonna go like this: writing practice first, and numbers in Japanese, and Japanese date and time. I don't know how far we can go, but we're gonna try. Let's see. First, writing practice. So this is why I told you guys to bring a piece of paper and a pen. Do you guys have with you?
Yep.
Nice. Okay. Okay, good. So why writing?
No idea.
Because, you know, it's 2021, everyone is on the computer and, you know, always typing. But why do we write first? So the reason is hiragana is very similar to each other and often really hard to differentiate each other. And by writing, it actually helps you recognize which word is which, especially those similar words like a and o, those are really similar. Chi and sa, those things. And plus, being able to write Japanese letters is such a big flex, right? So there's two clear benefits on practice writing. Okay, so let's jump into it. Today's letters would be these 5. Okay, recap question. Aristo, how do you pronounce these 5 Japanese letters?
Oh no. Okay. A, I, E, O, U.
Oh, yes. A, E, E, O, U.
Oh, okay.
So you went back.
Not like the English.
Yeah. So it is
A,
A, E,
U,
U,
E,
E,
O.
O, right? So that was two tricky points. First, E is not I, it's E. Sounds like this one. And then this one is E, not E. And then a little bit of twist. O sounds like, we want to pronounce O as A sometimes, but it's O.
O.
Okay,
Oh.
so this is a little bit of recap from last week. These are really important parts, so I want you guys imprint in your brain. Okay, so let's move on. Two key points. First, stroke order is very important. And I'm gonna show you why, but every stroke is connected. And then second point is there's always a slight curve. No lines are straight. So if you keep those 2 points in mind, you're gonna be able to write a beautiful Japanese letter. And being able to draw a beautiful Japanese letter is even a flex in Japanese culture as well. We always have this calligraphy thing and everyone has a competition over there. Okay. Oh, hey, Johannes. How are you doing?
Hi guys, I'm good.
Hi.
Sorry I'm late.
It's okay. Do you know those basics already?
Unfortunately, I do not.
Okay.
So
Let's quickly go over again. So Japanese letters. So today's lesson, quickly go over. Today's lesson, we're gonna get used to reading and writing hiraganas. And also you're gonna be able to say or type numbers in hiragana. And also you're gonna be able to say date and time in Japanese after today's lesson. And so now why writing? Because it's very similar to each other. So you have to be able to differentiate by writing by yourself. And also being able to write a Japanese letter is such a flex. So, and then this is recap from last week. Does anyone other than Arista wants to try this one?
I can do it.
Or Johannes, do you want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry, Chris.
I wasn't really here last week, so I wouldn't really know. Sorry.
Okay. Chris, do you want to go?
Yeah. It's from left to right. It's A, I, U, E, O.
Yes, so these are Japanese vowels, if you haven't known. So vowels, A, E, I, O, U, that's American verbs, right? Or English verbs, or English vowels. But then when it comes to Japanese, we pronounce like this, and this is really important key, so I want you to remember it today, Johannes. And we're gonna go over and over again this one, so you don't have to remember today or this time. You're gonna get used to it. Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to write those Japanese letters. You already see this one and this one is pretty similar, right? We're gonna be able to differentiate these two. Okay, and then 2 points, stroke order is important and always slight curve. Let's try it. What is this word again? Yes. Okay. Would write. So first one goes on from left to right. And then after this, remember I said stroke volume, not stroke volume. Stroke pattern or stroke order is very important. This is why. So after this, you're gonna follow this path. And then start writing from top to down. This is because Japanese letter was written with a brush. And you can't really change the direction if you're writing with a brush, if you have tried before. So this is the second one. And then after this follows this path. Imagine the roller coaster. So it came all the way down and
I'm here.
Like, why don't you just go here and then?
So you're ending.
Looking good?
Well, with paintbrush, so when you paint, you usually paint like this. You don't paint like this. It doesn't.
Yeah, exactly, Michelle. So everything looked good. Can I see everyone's drawing or writing?
Can show you.
No,
Make it bigger.
Aki's is
Do we need
cheating.
to make it bigger?
Oh, nice. Chris, beautiful writing.
Arigato.
No, that was wrong. I'm doing
So we're gonna go over once again,
There you go.
Oi, nice.
left to right. Oh,
Sorry.
oh, nice, Aristo. Oh, Michelle, beautiful.
Whoa.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I did O first and then I realized.
Yeah.
Sorry. Getting ahead of myself.
That's the point, right? We're gonna be able to differentiate O and A today. So let's go over again from left to right and follow the path, top down, and then roller coaster. Okay, so try to read again, try to write again without seeing my directions.
Wow.
Remember, always slight curve, no straight lines. Nice, Aristo, very good. Oh, nice, Johannes, beautiful. Nice,
Thank you.
Chris.
Oh, wait, my background. I had to take
Yeah,
I had to take it off. Just a second.
Ryu, I have a question. So the
Nice,
line that
Ryan.
you write from. I have
Yeah.
a question really quickly. So the first line that we write from left to right, that has to be
Uh-huh.
slightly curved too, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
if you want to make it very beautiful, I will recommend from right, left corner to right top corner.
Left corner to
Light
right
curve.
top corner.
Yeah, it's a little like it's really crushed Nike sign.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, oh, nice, Denise. Beautiful. Yes.
Need some work.
Yeah.
Hey, nice.
Okay, let's move on. How do you pronounce this word again?
E.
Yes, yes. So let's write this one. This one would be really easy. First, opposite check mark. Looking good. Then second one, remember we follow the path. So go back up. It's a comeback season. If you go deep, you gotta get back up, right? And then go back down again. Oh, I can't see you still. I think it's. Oh yeah, nice. And then here's the point. So the second one is shorter than the first one. And also, these two are facing each other. Like there's a circle in between two lines. This is a little fat guy. Is everyone doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. So let's go over again. So first, opposite check mark. You go back, you go down, and once you go down, you gotta get back up. And then shorter one. Okay, let's try to write without my direction. Looking great. Nice. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow, you guys outgoing, outdoing. Wow, beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's move on. How do you pronounce this one?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yes, ooh. This one goes little bit from left up to right down. The point is no straight line, right?
Mm.
And then it doesn't go from right to it doesn't really go from top to down or from left to right. It's always diagonal or something. So this is a slight diagonal from left up to right down. And then this is a little bit tricky. If you go down here, how do you go? It goes this. And another card. It's almost like I'm gonna make a circle. Oops, it was the wrong, it was a wrong angle. Let me do it again. And another angle. Nice, Aristo. Beautiful. Nice, nice. Nice, Chris. Looking good. Let me explain one more time. Nice, Denise. Okay, nice, Janice. Beautiful. So, one more time. It's a little angled. I'm gonna make a circle. Oops. Wrong diagonal. What is it? Wrong direction. Go back again and another angle. Okay, let's try to write without my direction. Or I think you guys wrote so many times already, so let's move on. You guys are outworking me. Okay, how do you pronounce this one again?
Eh.
Eh? Eh? Yeah, so this one, funny enough, in Japanese, this one is what sound? Eh?
Eh?
Yeah, so eh? Okay, let's see. So this one goes like this, right? Eh? Do I write ooh? Right? So that's why you say eh. And then what's gonna happen? This one goes back down here again. So it really is ooh up to this point. But then from here, it's a twisted Z. Everything's gonna be fancier in Japanese, right? Z is not gonna be actual Z. It's a twisted Z. Nice. Are we still, maybe you can like a point this one. Make it pointy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't have to carve on this one. It's a Z with a little twist down here. Nice, Michelle. Beautiful. Oh, nice, Aristo. That looks very good. Nice, Chris. Oh, nice, Johannes. Nice, Denise. Brian, good. Nice, very nice. So, one more time. It looks like we're gonna write ooh. So that's why we say eh, and then twisted Z, right? Okay, seems like everyone is writing so many times. Let's just skip this part. Move on to last one. How do you pronounce this?
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
So this one has two meanings, or like two meanings. This sound has two meanings. It's like, oh, surprising sound, or oh, like admiration or understanding. Okay, let's see. How do we write this? So first, similar to right? So that's why we say, oh, surprising, right? Surprisingly, oh, is it? So that's why you should say, oh, And then it goes like a psych. Another roller coaster. Goes follow this line and it goes psych. Roller coaster. And then this guy goes another psych, you know? We thought it's gonna be done with this, but then every detail matters. So this is a really big roller coaster. It goes straight down and keep going, and you're gonna be launched. Yeah, if you go straight down, you're gonna get launched. Nice, Aristo, beautiful. Nice, Brian. Oh, Chris, great. Beautiful. Wow. Nice, Denise. Joanne is good. Yes, so there's a little bit preference. Some people wants to put the dot here, or some people put dots here. I would say in between this line and the roller coaster lane. In between this one over here and this one over here. This space. You don't want to waste space, you know? Okay, so I think everyone is writing okay and wrote so many times, so we're gonna skip this part. So we already wrote all 5 letters. Why don't we try to write 5 letters consecutively? A, I, U, E, O. Let's try it out. If some explanation or announcement or DJing or MCing helps, so A goes from Crush to Nike, and then from top to down, then roller coaster. E is straight down, you gotta go down, and if you go down, you gotta get back up. And then, nice, Michelle, beautiful.
Oh,
Wow, Joannis, impressive.
That's great. You should not be writing in pen now. Your girlfriend should have taught you this.
I know, right?
Nice, nice, Aristo, impressive.
Just in case you messed up.
Nice, Denise, good. Nice, Brian. Ooh, you got some pronunciation word too.
Oh yeah.
And Denise, I would recommend to rotate E a little bit. Rotate E a little bit counterclockwise. Yeah. You want to face like, you want to make it more vertical. What's up, Chris? You back?
Yeah, sorry about that. My internet crashed.
Okay, everyone is done. Are you done?
Yep.
You okay?
Is that basically like we
You're
go
glitching.
over all the different letters? Oh,
What's that?
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you just go over A, I, U, E, O, and then now we're done,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Did you write?
Keep
Did you
going.
write them out?
Yeah, I did. Oh,
Okay.
shoot, I can't see myself. Can you see my
Yeah.
camera? Like, here, let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's me. Okay, here. So I wrote the O here.
Nice. Okay. Nice. Looking good. Okay. So let's try
Awesome.
numbers in Japanese. The key point to remember the word or numbers in Japanese, I would say remember with the rhythm. Okay. So it goes like this rhythm. Let's ignore 0 because it's 0. But then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like a ta 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 ta. Okay, I get the Japanese chart handy and dandy. So let's try to read those again. Who wants to try?
Can you repeat 6, 7, and 8 again?
Yes, so look, so I go with the rhythm. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are you saying?
Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8.
Well, yeah, 'cause
Six,
we're
hatch.
Nanashichi.
Yeah, Nana is also fine. And for she also goes yon.
But we have yo as well. So it's yon, she, yo. Is what she's showing.
Yo.
Yeah, there's 3 of them for 4, is what she gave us. Yon, the teacher, she said yon.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Like you would,
4,
Yoji.
5, 6,
Yoji.
yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice. Yeah, so for Johannes, this is the Japanese chart, hiragana chart, handy dandy. So if you want to try, let's try to read these letters.
So 0,
0,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
nice. Wow, impressive.
Thank you, anime.
No. Okay, is everyone good with this? So for Michelle's idea, yon is also okay, and nana is also okay. And this goes like this. So if I go straight from 1 to 10, I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But interestingly, if I go backwards, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you go backwards, I would say with this second part. So this is like a backup plan, you know? So this is a little notes. And these are, if you can go whichever the way, yon or shi, nana or shichi. It really depends on the person and also the area that you live in. Okay, without chart, let's try to read it again. Maybe Johannes knows this, and I think Michelle knows this too. How about Denise? I think Denise, you know too, right? How about Aristo? You want to try?
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice. Okay, Brian, you want to try with the different version?
Sure. So each Nissan. I forget which one you said. She.
Yes. Aristo went yon.
Okay. So each Nissan she. Go ruk. Did they say Nana?
Yes, she said nana.
I know that's she. I'm forgetting the the one that looks like 5.
Who can try? Who can help Brian?
Ichi.
Yes, shichi.
Ichi.
Nice.
Okay, Shichi, Hachi. Ku
Nice.
and Ju.
Yes, great. Okay, so far we learned how to say numbers and how to write 5 Japanese letters, right? So these you can already guess these would be your homework to remember how to write those 5 letters and to say how to say those 10 Japanese numbers. Okay, little curiosity. What's gonna happen if we go above 10? Does anyone know this?
Isn't it?
You add 1 after Ju. Or you add the
Yes.
number.
Yes, we're gonna add numbers, but how do we add numbers? So we're gonna add numbers to 10 before and after. Let's say 20. How do we say 20 in Japanese?
Need you?
Yes, ni ju. So this one, ni plus 10, ju. How about this one?
15.
Yes, jugo. So ju plus go. So who wants to try this one?
You go.
Yes, nijugo. Why is that?
Because 20 is niju, and then you add this 5 after. So niju go.
Yes, nijugo. Yes, ni plus ju in the middle plus go, right? Ju always comes in the middle.
Mhm.
Is everyone good with this? All good? All right, let's move on. So, since we now know how to say numbers, let's try to say dates and time. Okay, so I think we're gonna focus on dates today because it's a little bit tricky. Let's go. So basic terms, how do we read these letters?
Gatsu?
Yes, gatsu. Something something gatsu is month. How about this one?
Nichi?
Yes, nichi. So something something nichi is date. So how do you say this one? Who wants to try? Hint, hint, January is the first month.
How do you say month again?
How do you say month again?
Gatsu?
Yes,
Gatsu?
gatsu.
And then the date is Nichi.
Yes, nichi. So what's this?
Would it be Ichikatsu? Yeah, Ju each Nichi? Something like that.
Yes, 1月11日.
Oh wow, that's so fun.
Nice, good job.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
Ichigatsu,
Kind of tongue twister.
Ju.
Yes, so what was the rule for numbers again? What was the rule for numbers, especially when we go above 10? What was the numbers? What was the rules?
You add 1, 2, or you add the number 2.
Yes, right? So ju plus 1, ju ichi. And then you're gonna add date, nichi. It's like 11th.
I think it's mine.
Okay, so here's the tricky part. When it comes to date, numbers are called a bit differently. And it's fair because you guys call it first, second, third, you know, and also you call January, February, March. So we have those weird things too.
Mhm.
Okay, let's learn those. So even though I said it's a nichi for date, from 1st to 10th, it's this. Who wants to try? Okay, let's try from Brian, Denise, Aristo, Johannes, Chris, Michelle. Okay, how about Brian? How about this?
Okay. Suitachi?
Yes, 1日. So first is 1日, not 1日. Okay, how about this one? Why don't we go Michelle?
Who?
Yeah.
Futsuka.
Yes, futsuka. So second is futsuka. So if we don't follow this rule, how do we say futsuka or second in regular manner with this way? Anyone wants to guess?
Ninichi?
Yes, ninichi, but
Something
it's
like
really hard to say ninichi, right? That's why we call futsuka. How about this one, Denise?
Mitsuka.
Okay, so this is a bit small. So what's gonna happen
Oh,
with the small one?
So is it Mika?
Yes, Mika.
Ah,
Nice. And if you don't follow this one, how do we pronounce? How do we say third?
Sanichi.
Yes, Sanichi. Nice. Okay, Aristo, how about this one?
Forgot the first character. Like
First character, can anyone help?
Yo.
Yes,
Yeah.
yo.
Yosuka?
But this is a small too, so
Yosuka?
when it's small, what do you do it? What do you do?
You just short when small. It's like you just cut it short. So yoka.
Yes, yoka. You're gonna skip it. Okay, nice. So if you don't follow this rule, how do you say yoka or fourth? Regular manner.
Yosuka? Wait, yo.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Regular. Yonka.
Yes, Michelle. Can you say it out loud? Oh, louder?
I was saying Yonichi.
Yes, yonichi. But it's kind of hard to say yonichi, so yoka is easier way. Okay, how about Johannes? How do you say this one?
All right, I'm looking at the chart right now. Itsuka.
Yes, itsuka, nice. So if
Yeah.
you don't follow this one, how do you say 5 or itsuka?
Wait. Gonichi?
Gonichi, yes. Nichi is date, right? Okay.
Okay, great, thank you.
Christopher, how do you say this one over here?
Muika?
Yes, muika, smooth. But if you don't follow this rule, what do you say?
Roknichi?
Yes, rokunichi. Also kind of like wordy, right? So rokunichi is no. It's muika. How about this one? Let's go back to Brian.
Hanoka.
Close. It's not ha. Who can help Brian? Or if you want to pick yourself up again, second chance.
Okay, Nanoka.
Yes, nanoka. Yes. We're gonna learn how to differentiate these things. Yeah, it's ha and na, and ta is very similar, but it's na, nanoka. But if you don't follow this rule, how do you say, Brian?
Nananichi.
Yes, nananichi. Yes. It's very wordy. So that's why it's really hard, right? Nananichi. Na 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 na.
Yeah.
So that's why we changed this nanoka. Yeah. Okay, Aristo, how about this one?
Sorry, hold on.
You got the same one over here, right?
Yeah. It's yo, right?
Yo.
Right. Yoika? Oh no, yoka.
Yoka, yes, yoka. Nice, good job. But if you don't follow this rule, how do you say?
Hachinichi?
Yes, hachinichi. Nice. Hachinichi is always also like kind of word. Hachichichi, hachichichi. So that's why we say yoka. Okay, Johannes, how do you say this? How do you read?
Kokonoka?
Yes, kokonoka. But if you don't follow this rule, how do you say?
Kyunichi.
Kyunichi. Nice. Okay, last one. Let's go, Chris. Oh. Oops.
Toka.
Yes, toka. Yes. But if you don't follow this rule, how do you say?
Junichi.
Yes, junichi. Yes. So these are the 10 different ways of saying dates. It's better than English because in English you have January to December. You got 12. We only got 10. So let's remember these 10 days. Okay. So today's word. Does anyone wants to try to read?
I thought you were gonna do it.
Let's go, Brian.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, I need the chart. Let me see. I don't know the first one. Is it me? Key. Kyo.
That's the trick.
Yes. Kyo.
Kyo.
Wa.
Is that ha?
It's
Ah.
yeah, it's ha, but this is tricky. When it comes to a sentence, we usually say wa.
Wow. Okay.
Kyo wa.
So Nanichi.
Yes, kyo wa nannichi. So direct translation. Kyo means today. And then this wa equals to equal sign. And then nani is what, right? But nani becomes like a nan nichi when it comes to like a getting together. It's like a going to be, it's gonna be. Those kind of things. Going to be, gonna be, going to be, will be, gonna be, right? Same thing. What nani nichi would be like a nan nichi. You don't want to put too many n's, right? So nan nichi. So what? And what is nichi again?
Date.
Yes, date. So it goes like, what day is it today? Who wants to answer?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Kyugatsu
Mhm.
Jun Nanai Nichi.
Nice. Kugatsu. So this time, this one,
Kyugatsu.
Kyugatsu. Instead of Kyugatsu, we say
Mhm.
Kugatsu.
Kyugatsu.
Yes. Kugatsu 17 日.
17 日.
Nice. Okay. So let's try this out. Denise, could you tell me your birthday?
My birthday. Let's see. Wait, like the whole sentence in Japanese or just the day?
Just a date is fine.
Oh,
like
okay.
what month and what day?
Okay. Let's see. Wait. 1月? 1月. Wait. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Wait. Let me start over.
Yeah.
1月
Just in case.
24日
Okay, 1月24日. So what day is it?
January 24th.
Yeah, January 24th.
Nice. Okay, Chris, could you tell your birthday, please?
Okay. 7月12日
Which?
Oh. 1日. It's oh man.
Go again. Go ahead again.
Okay. Oh, can you hear me?
Yes. And also we say instead of 7月, we say 7月.
Oh.
Yeah, so these are the dominant ones. Shi and shichi.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes we say nana or yon. Yes. So go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So 7月21日.
Nice. Okay, so what day is it? Anyone? July?
July 20.
July 21st, right?
Yes, July 21st. Nice.
I should
Wow.
know. I should know.
Okay, Janice, go ahead. Could you tell us your birthday?
1月12日.
1月. Oh, how do we say junichi again? How do we say junichi again?
Oh no.
It's over here.
I say it. I'm like, wait, let me look at the chart. Toka? Toka?
10日, yes. 1月
1月
10日. Nice. So what day is it?
January 10th. Oh,
Nice.
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ask them. My bad.
All right. Let's go, Aristo. Could you tell us your birthday?
3月12日。
3月12日. Okay, what day is it?
March 12th.
Nice. March 12th. Very quick. Okay, Michelle, could you tell us your birthday?
Nope.
It's private.
So is it Yon or
So the dominant one is on the left side. Dominant one is on the left side.
she? Okay, so she Gatsu. I'm like missing the connection. I'm sorry.
Shigatsu.
Shigatsu. Do I say Ju?
Yeah.
Okay, Ju. Shigatsu Ju. And then Kokonoka.
Close. So if it's not from 1 to 10, you can just say the regular numbers. It only goes first to 10.
So it's the 9th of April.
Oh,
So
so yes. Shigatsu. Go. Let's go once again.
Shigatsu. And then is it Kokonoka or do I add?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You don't add Ju.
No.
So Shigatsu Kokonoka. What day is it?
Shigatsu Kokonoka.
Shigatsu Kokonoka. And no way, my birthday is always also Shigatsu Kokonoka.
Oh, nice.
It's crazy, isn't it? Wow. This is I've met like 3 people who was born April 9th, and you were the 4th person.
Ah.
Wow, so many April 9th. You must be genius.
Yay! Various birthdays.
Okay, let's go. Last but not least, Brian. Could you tell us your birthday?
Sure. So it'd be Sangatsu Nijuichi.
3月21日. Okay, what day is it? Anyone?
Oh, sorry.
Anyone other than Brian?
March 21?
Nijuichi.
March 21?
Yes, Denise. March 21.
Third.
Yeah.
I'm picking up.
Niju 20. Yeah. And then-
Nice. So now we know how to say your birthday and how to say your friend's birthday. So for next week's practice, try to be able to write these 5 letters, I, U, E, O, freely, without even thinking. Memorize your muscle, and then become able to say numbers and dates. Okay, those are gonna be your homework.
Is there
Any question?
Oh, sorry.
What's that?
Any questions?
Can you send us the, well, you sent us the PowerPoint, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna upload. So if you are on the Slack, let me show you real quick. So Joannis, I'm gonna invite you on the Slack, but if you're on the Slack, here's a lesson document chat, and then I uploaded my document over here, and then it will take you to this area, and you have access to here, and I'm gonna upload my today's lesson, like a lesson document here. And if you haven't downloaded Slack app, please do so on your phone and on your laptop. It will be much efficient, much easier. And then please make sure to let me see. Please make sure to enable your notification. You can change the preference and notification. Okay, please make sure you download the app, join the group, and turn on the notification. And if you have any question, you can always drop in question box or speak up in general. Or if you have a question about homework, you can chat over here as well. Any questions about lesson document, you can throw it on here. And last but not least, let me quickly show you how to do those extra stuff on the phone. Okay. So Denise and some other people are struggling how to type certain things. So if you want to do za, so you press sa, right? And then after that, you go this one. We have small one here, or like za sound here. And if you press one more time, oh, we don't have pa. So ha, ba, pa. Yeah, so this one is a game changer. Also the tsu, you can make it smaller.
Okay.
Or you can make it zu.
Did you like it?
He's hitting this one.
Oh, to make it small.
Yes, this one.
Up on that one and then hit that one.
This one.
Oh, okay.
So that's like for any special character, right? Like if they're
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to make it any twist, hit this one. And then if you want to do, let's say, kurisu to fa, right? How do you make it smaller?
You keep clicking the.
Like
bottom
Yes,
Your thing at
left
the bottom.
corner. Yeah, left corner.
Oh,
And then how do we make the, the straight line is
Oh, yeah.
wa area.
Oh, there.
Yes, wa has this one.
Hmm.
So this is Christopher. One more time. So So I already told you guys. Oh, Joannis, do you have a Japanese keyboard on your phone?
I don't think so.
Okay. So I would recommend you to download this keyboard so that you can try
Which app to use?
by making. So this is from A.
Yeah.
After A, it goes
Oh, they have-
clockwise from 9 p.m. E, U, E, O. Everything follows. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Oh, oops.
Don't worry, we can't read it.
Okay, and then I was telling them if you want to make a special character, you can press the left corner so that you can change the system. Ha, ba, pa, go back to normal. And then if you want to use the like hyphen one, you press and then swipe to right.
So how do you know which one is the katakana version?
So
like,
katakana, oh, what do you mean? Katakana, this one?
yeah. So if I wanted to write in katakana instead of hiragana, how do I switch?
So they only have hiragana here, so you have to kind of ask Apple to do it
Oh geez.
here. Yeah, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to write katakana once we master hiragana. Because it's a lot easier to learn katakana after you learn hiragana.
Oh, okay. Well, hurry up.
Yeah, no rush. Okay, so keep practicing writing on this keyboard. Maybe you can write any nonsense to group chat, you know? This is where you can practice, you know? Let's see. Oh.
So if we were to say what our birthday was, how do we say it? Like we would say my birthday is April 9th. How would you say that in Japanese?
So it's a little tricky, but I'm gonna show you. So birthday is this. You wanna try to read, Michelle?
Tanji. Oh. Tanji.
Close. What is this again, Aristo? Oh, sorry. What is this again, Aristo? This guy. Oops. What is this again, Aristo? Oh, you muted.
Yo.
Yes, yo, right? Aristo is not gonna make any more mistakes with yo. So what happens if we combine G and small yo? Yes, jo. So it goes tanjo.
Oh my gosh, is that B?
Yes, tanjobi. Yes, so that's birthday, tanjobi. Little fun fact, B is another way of saying day. Same as what? What was the day again?
Nichi?
Yes, so B or Nichi. I'm gonna show you how to use B in other occasion, but usually goes with Nichi. But B is also another way of saying day. Tanjo is birth. So tanjo B, and what was the equal mark again? How do you say this one? Wa. So tanjo B wa your date. And then if you want to end sentence with a nice way, you can say this one. It's not a nice way if you translate it in, or it's not nice if you sound it in English, but it's a polite way to say it in Japanese. How do you read this? This, yeah. It's not really nice to hear if you're English speaking, right? It's a death, not a death, it's a desu. So if you want to end the, if you want to end the sentence with a nice way, you can say tanjobi wa something desu. So once again, tanjo is the birth, tanjobi is birthday, equal mark equal to wa, your birthday, and and with des. Good. I'm gonna.
ask what the birthday was. Would we end it in ka? So like deska?
Yes. If you want to make a question, you can ask this.
Okay.
And then this is a little extra, but itsu is when.
And okay, so
So you can insert this one into here. So that is going to be, when is your birthday?
okay.
Oh.
Because it's blanked here, right? You don't know the date. So you can insert itsu, like what or when, so that you can say, when is your birthday? Okay, everything good?
Yep.
All right. So that's it for today's lesson. And make sure you download the Slack app. I'm gonna invite Johannes right now. You invite the Slack app, turn on the notification, and check the homework box to see what the homework is, and also review the class documents and ask any question or chat in general. You know, you can write any Japanese letter here and make someone try to read. Let's practice together, okay? All right. Any questions?
Yeah, I kind of went out, I think, in the middle of your keyboard lesson. So the equal sign, you can turn to a wa, you said?
Yes, so equal sign, it goes back to this one. You know, the equal sign is wa. I mean, this is the way,
Oh,
yeah, this is how we pronounce. So if it's equal sign, you say wa.
oh, okay, got it, okay.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
sure.
we don't write
We're just
equal
using
sign
it
in a
as the
sentence.
representation.
Yeah, because
This
this
is
is
like,
not
oops.
exactly is
Got
or
it.
what. Yeah, this is the best translation. That's why I use this.
Okay. Got it. Makes sense now. Thank you.
Okay, any other questions?
And then to turn something small, do you use that rotation thing, that like the thing where you can like to turn something small?
Oh no, a small one is, okay, I'm gonna show him again.
Right keyboard.
So if you want to make it smaller, you're gonna hit the left corner here.
Left corner.
Yes, left to wa, this one. So if you type 2 and then press here, right next to emoji place,
Oh,
then you can make it smaller.
oh, okay, got it. I see.
And then if you want to do, if you want to make it longer, you swipe to or rotation on the wa, so you can find this one.
Okay. Would that only make the vowel smaller? Like if you press the left bottom left corner?
So this is everything for special letters. Let's say it's ta. If you press the left corner, it becomes da.
Okay.
Da, right?
Duh.
Any special letters, so da. Okay, any other questions? Okay. So Denise went out, but we're gonna end the lesson so that you guys are free. And let's meet on next Friday at 6 p.m. Oh, Aristo, is 6 p.m. bad for you?
Yeah, it's usually bad.
Okay.
We haven't allowed.
Is everyone available around 7 then? Is 7 bad time for anyone?
I think all of us might be drunk by then, but
Oh.
Like, Kiko's got the bottle of sake. We've gone through 2 whiskeys already.
Okay. Wow. I mean,
Yes, we could try it.
yeah, it's good to learn language with being drunk. So
So I've tried it. It doesn't.
Oh,
work.
he's got one too.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. See,
Oh yeah,
So-
and it's Japanese. We had that one.
Costco.
It's good.
is 7 p.m. good?
Yeah.
7's fine.
We
I
can do
think
7.
so.
We just have to
Yeah.
eat ramen
7
before.
p.m.
Should
good.
be good.
Okay.
Should
Yeah.
be okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Let's do 7. Oh, what's that?
I just wanted to ask, did you add Joannis to the group and stuff?
I
Do I have
haven't
to send you my
Joannis-
email?
Yes. Could you send me the email?
Okay.
You can type it on the chat.
Cool.
I'm gonna send you my number too, just in case.
Pasa, pasa.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yay.
Okay, I sent you the invitation so you can log into the Slack app and we keep going on the chat on the app.
Ah.
All right. So
Cool.
if there is no other questions, let's meet next Friday at 7 p.m.
That's good.
All right. Thank you so much. Oh,
Bye.
bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Matane.
またね
待って、龍太郎待って。
Okay.
Run. Let's go. Go.
Oh no. For ramen, yeah. I thought you were gonna say something.
ラー
Ramen
メンまだ
pants.
行くやんな。行く
Ramen.
うん。
オッケー。じゃあ、Are we leaving right now?
Yeah. Right now.
8時半ぐらいかな。
Okay.
わからんか、待って。What's up, man? 15分やから、8時15分、20分ぐらいかな。
Okay. The waiting time is
I couldn't find it on Yelp, the waiting
not
time.
ないね。
ない
Okay,
か
I
な
guess I have to go.
お願いしてもいい
Okay.
ありがと
では、see you guys later.
Alright, see you, man.
Have a safe drive.
No worries. I'm driving. I haven't drank.
Okay.
I told him, he's like, you do it at 7. I was like,
Alright.
we all
Alright,
have to
thank
stop by
you.
then, so.